Aldi has started to restock some of their shelves with zero net carb bread. So I'm going to pick up a few of these multi-seed and wheat bread. I'm going to conduct a taste test and then test my blood glucose levels to see what impact it has on my blood sugar. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I put up a new ketogenic video. I'm going to try one slice of each bread. I toasted each slice of bread and put about a tablespoon of butter on each slice of bread. I will say the bread tastes pretty good to me. I've been on keto now for well over a year, and I will say I haven't had much bread. So just having this type of zero net carb bread was really impactful for me. After consuming 2 slices of bread, I decided to test my blood glucose levels. I went up to 103. I'm typically in the range of 80 to 90 in the morning, which means that I am in a state of ketosis. About an hour later, I did test my blood glucose levels again to find out that my blood glucose levels did lower down to 98. Now we're going to have Poppy, who is a real bread connoisseur, taste test the Aldi zero net carb bread.
Cardboard.
Like cardboard? Are you serious?
Cardboard.
You don't like it?
No. I like the butter.
You like the butter?
There's no taste.
Aldi's zero net carb bread did impact my blood sugar. Now, of course, everyone is different. For me, it impacted my blood sugar. But with that being said, I will say this is something that you could have in your arsenal once in a while, to have zero net carb bread if you are following a ketogenic lifestyle. But with the ingredients, I will not recommend this on a daily basis while following a ketogenic lifestyle. And Poppy, who is a innocent bystander who isn't on keto, his taste buds are totally different than mine. He did not like the bread, which is completely understandable. But in any case, I do hope Aldi's all across the nation and also worldwide is able to try this bread, because it is something to try for sure.